This analytics video goes over how to filter and compare data in GA4 reports. All reports in Google Analytics are made up of dimensions and metrics. A dimension is an attribute of your data described with text, such as an event name. A metric is a quantitative measurement that you can apply mathematical operations to, such as average or percentage. For example, the amount of times an event has been triggered would show under event count. Some data auto-populates into your reports, but others require some configuration. Report filters let you see a subset of data in a report using your dimension values. Let's add a filter to our Pages and Screens GA4 report, which is where I am right now. First, click Add Filter at the top. We can then choose the data we want to see in our report. Google Analytics will gray out a dimension option if it is not compatible with other dimensions in a report. As an example, we can filter by country and select to only view data from the United States in the report. Click Apply. You will then only see data for users in the United States. You can see the active filters at the top of the report. You can edit the filter by clicking on it. You can add up to 5 conditions per filter. If you want to remove the filter, click the X to delete it. When you leave the report, Google Analytics will remove the filter automatically. You can also use the comparison tool to compare data side by side. Click the Add Comparison at the top of the page. The menu looks similar to the filter option. For this example, I will add the dimensions for mobile users. Click Apply. You can then see 2 different colors on the reports, one for all users and one for just mobile device users. Comparison definitions show at the top of the reports. They will remain when you switch reports unless they are not compatible with the data in that report. If one of the reports you are looking at doesn't include one of the dimensions from the condition, then a blank card will appear for that comparison. You would just need to choose a different dimension for the condition or remove it altogether. Click on the comparison to edit it, or click on the X to remove it. It's the same way as the filter. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.